Hello friends, welcome to Samviji. Today we are going to learn preparation of Khandvi recipe, a Gujarati dish, and it is a mouth-watering traditional Gujarati snack prepared with gram flour and buttermilk and seasoned with salted sesame seeds and a few other spices. And it's not only easy to make but healthy as well, because it just involves steaming gram flour and buttermilk and does not require any other complex cooking techniques. The simple yet aromatic seasoning of salted cumin and mustard, curry leaves, coriander and coconut makes it simply mouth-watering. Now we'll see how to prepare this Khandvi, and ingredients required are: we need 1 cup basin and 1 cup of fresh curds, that is dahi, mixed with 1.5 cups of water and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, 2 tablespoon ginger green chili paste, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, a pinch of hing and salt to taste. You can take buttermilk also. If fresh is not available, you can use sour buttermilk. And for tempering, we need 1/4 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1/4 tablespoon hing, 5 to 6 curry leaves, half tablespoon finely chopped green chilies, and you can take sesame seeds. I have not mentioned here, but taste comes with sesame seeds. So now see directions to prepare. Combine the basin, curd, water mixture, lemon juice, ginger green chili paste, turmeric powder and asafoetida and salt in a bowl, and mix well to make a smooth batter, taking care that no lumps remains in the batter. Now take all the batter into deep non-stick pan and cook on a slow flame while stirring continuously till it becomes thick, that is approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the batter is become thick. Stir continuously, avoiding lumps. Now meanwhile, grease a thali approximately 10 inches on the reverse side using 1/4 tablespoon of oil, and spread a spoonful of the batter on a greased thali and wait for a few seconds and try to roll up. If does not, then cook for a few more minutes and check once more till done. Now divide the batter into 2 equal portions. This is to remain the batter hot, because while the batter is still hot, then only this will spread evenly and we can prepare Khandvi. So while the batter is still hot, spread each portion evenly using a spatula and the reverse grease side of 2 thalis evenly to make a thin uniform layer using a spatula. When cool, cut the Khandvi on each thali lengthwise, that is approximately 1.5 in width, into equal portions and roll up each gently. All Khandvi rolls are done. Now take into serving plate. For the tempering, just before serving, heat the remaining 3 tablespoons of oil in a small non-stick pan and add the mustard seeds. When the seeds crackle, add the hing, curry leaves and green chilies and salt on the medium flame for few seconds. If you like to add sesame seeds, you can add into tempering, and then pour the tempering over the canvas. Colorful, mouth-watering canvas are ready now. Serve immediately. Garnish it with the coconut and coriander. One more other option is while you're rolling up, inside the canvas rolls you can add coriander and coconut inside, and then you can roll up. It's completely your option, and canvas are very tasty with the green chutney, so serve with the green chutney. So canvas is a popular snack amongst Gujaratis, especially the kids love it a lot. Nobody can hide their love for the delicious savory made of gram flour and curds, and at the same time none can deny that it is a difficult item to prepare. Be patient and remember to cook the paste slowly and completely till thick. Also take care to roll the canvas lightly and temper well, and have a wonderful snack in the evening, and serve and enjoy the pleasant evenings in festival season. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.